If you're a Gen X woman between 44 and like 62-ish, or just identify as a Gen X woman, this workshop is for you. It is a reinvention experience. I take you through how I reinvented myself and the ups and downs that we go through. I'm going to help you not have those downs, only ups. So it's an intensive, it's a 4-hour intensive. If you live around London or okay traveling into London, that's the location. What you get out of this is quite incredible. So there's only 5 women to come into this workshop. And the reason only 5 is so we could really have a bond. We can express ourselves and have personalized one-on-ones if you need it. This is an introductory to reinventing who you are or what's next for you. So if you're looking at what's next for you, who the hell am I at this midlife is what they calling us. I'm still feeling young. I do not want to just plod along in life. If you don't want to plod along, and you really want to live fully for the rest of your days, or you just want to know what's missing for yourself, this definitely is for you. I will support. We have a community. You get all the trainings afterwards. We'll have one-on-ones together after the workshop, before the workshop. I'll make sure you're well taken care of. Yes, there's food and wine or whatever you want. So yes, it's going to be quite a fabulous experience because you're all fabulous. I am looking to take the greatness from you and expanding it and creating and reinventing who you want to be for the rest of your life. And this is all about you. It's in your time. It's how you're perceiving. I talk a lot about mindset in this class because mindset's everything. I'll give you some tools that you can use to help yourself get through whatever you're going through. And we're all going through something. So I'll give you all my secrets and ins and outs, what I've been doing. So come join me, bring a friend, maybe let's talk. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this event.